How to add a time zone to iPhone clock. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add extra time zones to your iPhone's clock app, which is perfect for managing calls, appointments, or just keeping track of what time it is in different parts of the world. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. You're likely familiar with the alarms, stopwatch, and timer features, but today we'll focus on the world clock. To access it, tap on the world clock tab at the bottom of the screen. By default, you may already have a couple of time zones listed, though they could be similar, making them unnecessary. To add a new time zone, tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to search for any city or country. For instance, you can search for Tokyo, Japan, to see the time there. Let's also add London, UK, and Sydney, Australia, to track multiple time zones. This feature is incredibly useful for scheduling calls, traveling, or just being aware of the time in various locations, especially before calling someone to make sure it's not too early or late. Now you can easily track time across multiple time zones. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.